Happy Friday, Brian Mandy here with your weekly update, and let's just get right to it. So, Monday this week, stocks started to the upside. Not much news coming out that affected mortgage rates, so a little flat earlier in the week, but then it got really rocky later on. Tuesday this week, we had housing starts. This is new construction starts and permits coming into the inventory, and month over month, these were up 6.6%. So, a solid increase, but nothing that's out of control. And then this is just kind of nice because it will probably put us in a position where we're not seeing an oversupply in the marketplace. So still a good number, and pretty confident what's happened there. Also on a national level, rental prices year over year increasing at 4%. And I know that we're in a little bit of a pocket here and we're seeing higher rental increases, but we're still seeing national increases at a really strong level and some of the strongest ever. Then Wednesday of this week was the big market mover, the Fed minutes released from their last meeting. And this has gotten a tremendous amount of media coverage, and most of which is probably seemingly unwarranted. So Wednesday, Thursday, and even today, markets were just rattled. Mortgage rates, unfortunately, looking a little bit worse, and all from media coverage of what the Fed said. And you know, the Fed talked about potentially rising rates or having rate hikes here in the future, but they said if the data supported the rate hikes. You know, and what's really crazy is that if we look at what's going on in the marketplace, April's employment reports were much weaker than expected. Inflation is moving the wrong way, and the Fed's primary focus is going to be on inflation and employment. And when neither of those are increasing, actually they're both decreasing right now, the chance of seeing a rate hike here in June is probably off the table. But again, the media needs something to focus on, so we'll just let them run with it. We got some great housing data. National Association of Realtors put out data for us today, and existing home sales year over year are up 1.7%, so really strong there. Saw a small increase in inventory. And then what's also amazing is that appreciation on a national level is up 6.3% on a year-over-year basis, so really strong appreciation. And NAR even came out and said they even potentially see this reaccelerating and boosting into the summer months, which would be incredible. Last really important piece of information we got today was first-time home buyers. So percentage of first-time home buyers year-over-year moved up from 30% to 32%. And we've talked about this, and what we're seeing is millennials in the marketplace as first-time home buyers are that prime demographic, and we're seeing pent-up demand for millennials coming into this marketplace as really strong first-time home buyers. So this is really great to see increased first-time home buyers taking place, and market share is 32% of all purchase transactions being first-time home buyers, and very likely we're going to see this number increase as time goes on. I will be around all weekend. If you have any questions, please give me a call. If you have any buyers you want to get pre-approved, I'd love to help you out and would certainly enjoy the opportunity to be part of your business. Have a great day and happy Friday.